This is Banyan bonsai tree. Scientific name, Ficus bengalensis. Almost 3-year-old. A very fast-growing tree. It's root-bound, needed to repot. We'll also do the defoliation. Cutting overgrown root may. Massive thick roots. Losing the roots from pot. Surprisingly, it's being done easily. Removing all the leaves. That will boost the new growth. But removing all the foliage is risky. It's very stressful for the tree. That can kill the plant. So it should be done by the right time. In the region of the Punjab, rainy season is optimal for repotting and defoliation. Ficuses loves humidity. In the rainy season, they grow very fast. I will remove every single leaf. By removing all the leaves, I can see the branch structure, so I can decide which branch should be cut. I can tell that tree is getting mature now by looking at the aerial root growth. Time to remove old soil. In our region, temperature rises above 45 degrees Celsius in summer sun with face. It can dry the soil very quickly. So I add more organic substances like cocoa peat or defoliated dung. That soil can hold moisture more effectively. That soil also provides the natural fertilizer, plant. Roots penetrated through the draining fabric. Soil is densely packed. It's taking effort and force. I am using a metal stick. I need to be careful so I don't break the roots, but little damage is inevitable. Some soil got rock hard. I have to wash away that soil. No need to worry. Washing does no harm to plant. Ficuses can easily take that kind of wash. Added benefit of washing sweat droplets. I can see the root structure more clearly. Thick long roots are useless. Only small roots do the nutrients absorption. So I will cut the unaesthetic thick roots, unless they do serve some visual purpose.
That is the wrong visual direction for root. Time for preparing the pot.
It's transparent plastic pot. Putting wires to the pot, it will stabilize tree. I will remove the wires when the tree will firmly established in the pot. Now putting the soil layers. Mounting soil above the lip of the pot.
That way the surface root will get exposed.
Tying the wires to stabilize the tree.
Stabbing the soil to fill the air pockets. Watering time. That's how the tree looks after 1 month.